Happy Sunday, guys. We are out on this beautiful Sunday at an open house today. This charming 3-bedroom, 2.25 bath home with beautiful, serene flowers all around. Let's take a look. First up, you have a very nice long walkway to your door. And this is so cute. I love this. I'm going to just get my booties on. Please remove your shoes. Okay, first off, let's start here. This could be a family room or a formal living room. Look at this fireplace. Isn't that so cute? When do you see, you don't see these type of fireplaces in homes anymore. As I said, it's very charming. Off of the living room, you have a very nice size laundry room. There's the door to the garage. Also, right here, you have a half bath here. Off of this same room, family room or living room, you have a cute little kitchenette area. Love this new fixture here. Look at this patio off of the dinette area. We're gonna go out there in a moment, but just so I don't have to keep taking my booties off, we'll continue on the inside. Here are some notable features. I love how the sellers have this hot tub hookup. This home is located right off of the freeway, so very convenient. Invisible fence line. You'll be able to see the yard goes very deep. Brand new vapor barrier and pine insulation under the home. Gas available. Meticulously maintained. This home was built in 1987. It is 1,810 square feet. So some of the features here you won't see in other homes. This is going to be for a special type of buyer that is looking for these type. You don't see this type of cabinetry in the homes anymore. They have upgraded their appliances. I love the wood floor. I love how they have the rug kind of extending from the sofa. Stainless steel appliances are new and do stay with the home. Let's step off of the kitchen area. You have, again, another area which we will go outside. Look at the roses, super cute. I just love this little area. This is off of the kitchen area, so you could put a table here if you wanted to pull up the carpet or something different with this area. It is right off of the kitchen. And here you have another family area or a sitting room area. You could put your TV here. There's so many different things you can make out of this room. I love the indentions of these shaped windows. You don't really see anymore. Again, this home was built in 1987. So builders have changed. They've evolved. They're doing different things in homes now. Right off of the door, you have a coat closet. This is set up as an office. It could very well be a children's room or a room because technically it does have a closet, so it is classified as a bedroom. So this home could technically be a 4-bedroom, even though it is listed as a 3. Coming to the bedroom, you can see how this is totally updated. It is not like the cabinets in the other homes. So you have different features of this home. Look at this. Look how cute is that? And your shower area here with that type of shower head. I love those kinds. And there's also cabinet space in here. So plenty of cabinet space in this home. Let's continue on down the hall. This is the master bedroom. So you have here your deep walk-in closet. Here, hooks to hang your coats, jackets. I love this. We've seen this nowadays. Like shoe cubbies or cabinets, shoe holes. And then here's your bathroom. off of the master stand-up shower, which is why you get 2.25 of a bathroom versus a 3, because there is no tub there. This is right off, again, you'll see the yard is huge because this is coming off of the master bedroom. So you do have access to an outside patio area off of the master. Coming out of the master, we have more cabinet space here. Continuing on to another bedroom, closet space, or it could be an office. Look at these hydrangeas. How beautiful is that? It's a pretty day in Washington today. So we already saw 1, 2, 3 bedrooms or 2 bedrooms in the office. Here is a 3rd bedroom. Again, another closet space here. Now walking back up to the front of the home. This is a 1-story home. Let's take a look outside and so you can see some of the things that I saw today. Okay, we are outside, and I think this is the cutest window if you have a green thumb, which I don't, but I'm sure the flowers love that sunlight area, and I absolutely love this wraparound patio. It just gives super comfort, like relaxation. I can picture being out here with some wine, some friends, maybe a little fire pit there because it does get super cold here in the winter time. And then you have, look, how beautiful are these? Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. I love this, and it goes all the way down. The homeowner has done an amazing job. I mean, you're really having to put in work to keep up this. That's like a job in itself. But the property line goes way far back. It's friends, again, you can sit out here with friends. It's very inviting. But you can have your, friends over. This is the back of the home. And I'm pretty sure the property line goes as far as you see the neighbor. Theirs is fenced off. So I would imagine this property line goes somewhere along there. Very lush, very green here. Amazon. I mean, I don't even know how they're able to keep this up. Let's continue on. So I'm sure the property line goes, like, people could really do what they wanted to do with this. You could actually have that cleared off and put you up a fence on that side. There's a utility house, a storage shed back here. And here we're coming back up to the front of the home. This is the part where we left off when we were looking in that bedroom and we saw the purple hydrangeas up, and we have some visitors, so we're gonna go back around and greet them. Okay, so we had to stop the tour a little. I was almost done, but we had to stop the tour a little bit early because we had some buyers come in. So unfortunately, those potential buyers, they really like the house. They do have an agent, which that's the way that it goes, right? Like, some people are going to have an agent, but you still open the home. You never know who's gonna come inside. I still treat them all the same. Once I asked them who they've been working with, they said the agent that sold them their home, and they're gonna use her again, which is amazing because that means she took care of them. Ideally, you want the repeat business, but the more that you do open houses, the more comfortable you're going to become. You get to see some really cool different things. So it's all good. We're watching the market. Rates are going down just a little bit, but part of being a great real estate agent is knowing the market, knowing the prices of the houses. Being able to price a house right is super important. So I hope you guys will continue to come along with me on my journeys, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye.